Back in 2007, when Steve Jobs was yet to unveil the original iPhone, which is a revolution as we all know, Android was far away from reaching the consumer market. BlackBerry and Nokia were ruling the market back then. There are quite a few popular models for Nokia which are cash cows and the leading brand image and the brand icons for Nokia. Some of them are Nokia N95, the 1100, the 3310, and not to forget about this, the Nokia Xpress Music 5310. However, in the later years, with the rise of the iPhone and Android coming more accessible to the consumers, the breeds like Nokia and BlackBerry have slowly faded away from the market because they did not opt to what's coming from the future. Now, cut short to 13 years later, Nokia has bought back the Xpress Music last year, which is 2020, where somebody has a choice of wrong food and everybody around the globe has put their asses in the house for a year. Say hello. So, Nokia has relaunched the Xpress Music 5310 almost 13 years later, back in 2020. Usually, sequels are not successful because you can't create that magic which is in the very first place. Let us see if the Nokia 5310, released in 2020, has new tricks up its sleeves. Starting with the unboxing, the packaging is fairly simple. Right after opening the box, the phone welcomes us in a plastic cover. Further opening the box reveals the charger, battery, and earphones. Because this phone has a headphone jack, unlike the flagship phones which cost us a kidney these days. The charger is rated 5 volts at 550 mAh, meaning an output of 2.5 watts. The battery has a capacity of 1200 mAh, which HMD Global claims 22.7 hours of talk time on both the SIMs. The earphones have a decent sound quality, but they don't have any sort of buttons for functionality. On the back side of the phone, you find a VGA camera alongside a flash. To the left side of the screen, you find the volume rockers, and to the right side, you find the music controls. On the top, you have the headphone jack alongside the micro USB cable for charging. The screen has 2.4 inch of real estate with a 4:3 aspect ratio covering 240 by 320 pixels. So if you're looking out for a phone which is very basic in features, which could be your subsidized or a backup phone, then this is worth considering for an option. But do remember, this does not have the 4G capability.